The Teatro Colón, Argentina's most resplendent theater, Argentina. The Teatro Colón is the main opera house in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is considered one of the 10 best opera houses in the world by National Geographic, and is acoustically considered to be amongst the 5 best concert venues in the world. The other venues are Berlin's Konzerthaus, Vienna's Musikverein, the Concertgebouw in Amsterdam, and Boston's Symphony Hall. The present Colón replaced an original theatre which opened in 1857. Towards the end of the century it became clear that a new theatre was needed and, after a 20-year process, the present theatre opened on May 25, 1908, with Giuseppe Verdi's Aïda. The Teatro Colón was visited by the foremost singers and opera companies of the time, who would sometimes go on to other cities including Montevideo, Rio de Janeiro and São Paulo. After this period of huge international success, the theatre's decline became clear and plans were made for massive renovations. After an initial start of works to restore the landmark in 2005, the theatre was closed for refurbishment from October 2006 to May 2010. It reopened on May 24, 2010, with a program for the 2010 season. The first Teatro Colón was designed by Charles Pellegrini, and proved to be a successful venue for over 30 years, with 2,500 seats with the inclusion of a separate gallery reserved only for people who were in mourning. The construction started in 1856 and completed in 1857. This was celebrated with an opening on April 27, 1857, with Verdi's La Traviata, just 4 years after its Italian premiere. The production starred Sofia Lorini as Violetta and Enrico Tumberlich as Alfredo. This theatre was closed on September 13, 1888 to step aside for a new improved building, which was opened 20 years later on Libertad Street, overlooking Plaza de Mayo. In that period of time, the 1890 crisis and its effects were the cause for the delay in the completion of this second theatre. Before the construction of the current Teatro Colón, opera performances were given in several theatres, of which the first Teatro Colón and the Teatro Opera were the most important. The principal company that performed at the Teatro Opera moved to the Teatro Colón in 1908. However, major companies also performed at the Teatro Palladium and the Teatro Coliseo, which opened in 1907. Like us and join us at Extreme Collections for more fun and knowledge.